It's a beautiful 80-degree mid-December day. We're out here with 2 RC cars and we're doing something a little bit different. So we got this 3D printer. I've already printed a few things, like I printed this dragon and I printed this wing for my infraction. And one thing that I wanted to try is, can I print wheels? And that's actually a little bit harder than it seems. What materials to use, what plastics to use, what rubber to use. So what we did is we printed 8 tires. 4 for one car, 4 for another car. 4 are gonna go onto the Typhon Grom, and 4 are gonna go onto the mini infraction from HyperGo MJX. I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of videos about it. It's an awesome little truck. But yeah, they're both running on 3S, and we're just gonna see how they do. Will these wheels hold up? Will they fall apart? So here's the tire that we printed. This tire is made out of PET G. All the plastic is PET G, and the rubber it's a little soft. I think I have too much infill on it. The rubber is made out of TPU. But right now, I think that we'll have some grip. So I want to see how they actually do on the ground. I hope they don't just slide around and they're not really supposed to be drift tires. I want to see if they can actually hold onto the road and if we can actually get some speed runs on them and get them to go fast. So here's one of the cars that we're going to be running these wheels on. This is a MJX HyperGo little truck, basically a mini infraction looking thing. I don't think you guys have ever seen this thing on the channel. It is fairly new. You can see that it's all been upgraded. It's never been ran before, but it's already all upgraded with aluminum arms, aluminum steering. The gears are upgraded inside. Everything has been upgraded on it. It's definitely a cool little truck. I've had it before and I ended up destroying it, so I got another one and upgraded the whole entire thing. So this is car number 1. Car number 2 that we're running is this little Typhon Grom 3S. Again, this was for the most part a stock. It is going to be running on 3S, and we're going to get speed runs and just see how it handles on the road with these 3D printed wheels. All right, so it started. Let's see. Yep, it started.
That actually has twin signals. What's the number? What does it?
Wow, I forgot how fun these things are. Wow, Nikolai, these things are so much fun. This HyperGo, it's a very awesome car. The quality on it, guys, is incredible, and the shocks are really nice. The build quality and then the way they did it, these are really nice cars. I think everybody should get one of these if you guys like RCs. Is that my tire?
Is it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Did it already break off or did it come loose?
It is.
Wow, look at that, guys. I did not expect that. I really thought that this would hold up. Look at that, Nikolai.
Oh my god.
I did not expect the 3D printed tire to break so easy. Well, that sucks.
I'll see if I can push it back up here.
I'm glad I brought the other tires with us. They didn't last very long. Look at that. Broke right at the hub. I'm surprised. These things seemed really strong when I was messing with them. I wonder if I would have printed them differently, if they would have done better. You know what I want to do? I want to get one off of Nikolai's car and do a speed run with them. What I want to do is put this one on and then just speed run it.
Okay.
Very, very surprised it broke. All right, so that's on there. Did that one break too? Haha, no, my car like thing broke. This is going terribly. Hopefully this is the last issue, but all right, let's try it. Now, let me see, what did I get it up to so far? Stop, read. Look at you go.
Look at that. Oh, look. Battle bot time.
35 miles an hour so far is what I got it up to.
Hey, Dad.
Start. All right, watch out.
Dad,
Where's mine?
battle
Hold on,
bot
hold on,
time.
hold on.
Battle bot.
Steering. Watch the car. All right, let's see if I can get it, see how fast we can get it to go. Hey, why is that drone flying away? Hey, look. Is the battery dead in it?
Yeah. It's gonna land over there.
Or is it landing?
Landing with nothing to do.
Is it landing in a good spot?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so here we go. We're going to do a speed run, 3D printed tires. Oh, tire broke off. Oh, that tire got launched. Look, same thing, the middle broke out. You know, I really think that these rims need to be reworked, and I think there's ways to make them better, but
Money.
so what?
Let's go buy something.
So what? What do you mean money? It's like 30 cents over there.
Keeping it.
Keep it.
What?
Keep it. I mean, you got thousands. It did seem like that was a tire, wasn't it?
Can I see this one now? I see it. Ooh.
That is cool.
That is fast. Oh. That was awesome.
Yeah. These 3D these tires are holding up, Nikolai. I don't know why they broke on that truck.
Police chase. Second.
Oh, broke off. Look, that one hit a bump and broke off. So they're somewhat holding up, but you know, one good hit and that. So this was a very good test for our printer. While the 3D printed wheels did work well on the Typhon, on the HyperGo they broke right away. So I think there's something going on with the suspension in the HyperGo that they just won't work. I don't know if something's hitting the wheels or they're getting jammed or what, but on the Typhon it did work well for a while until you hit them just right. Now you can see on this one, the middle broke right out. The other one's okay, but most of the ones in the front, once they would hit something hard enough, they broke right off. I think that there are ways to fix it within the 3D printer with the way you do the print. Maybe we'll use ABS next time. And if we had softer tires, I think that they'll be able to take the blow a lot better. So I am going to try this again, and I'm going to use thicker tires, bigger tires that are softer. And I think I'm still going to stick with the same material, which is PET G. Otherwise, had a lot of fun. Thank you for watching the Speed Boost RC channel. Like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Bye. You can definitely see the channel's future now.
It is just like looking into the future.
Ha!
Whoa! Fly up and down.
Look at that, going straight up.
It's awesome that I'll keep playing with this stuff. Landing.
Oh, that was cool.
That was awesome. Look at that. Dad, I think you coded for landing. It is.
That's cool.
Awesome.
That was awesome. Super